Welcome back. We need some lettuce. We need some poblano pepper. We need some guacamole. And I have a little bit of red and green bell pepper that I'm going to use too. We're making chicken tostadas, but I'm using some of these corn tortillas, but I'm also going to do some flour tortillas for those who like the flour ones better than the corn. So you can get the corn tortillas that are already, you know, the crispy kind. Since I have the soft kind, I'm just going to toast them in the air fryer. I did this a few weeks ago, I think, and I can't remember for how long I did it. I think it was just like 2 or 3 minutes, and it toasts them up really good. Oh, I need to go get the chicken real quick. It's in the other refrigerator. We've got boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're gonna cook those on the stovetop, toast the tortillas in the air fryer, and then everything else we just have to chop up because it's just toppings. Oh yeah, we will, once the chicken gets done, we'll heat our refried beans in the same skillet. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in here real quick. I'm gonna put some butter in there too. A little bit of butter. Okay, I'll just turn that on low for now. While that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and trim the chicken real quick. I'll go ahead and start toasting some of the tortillas too. I think I did 3 at a time last time. I'm just gonna go for 3 minutes and we'll see what they look like at 375. We're just gonna season the chicken with a little bit of taco seasoning before we put it into the skillet.
Be careful with that knife, it's sharper than all yours.
Yeah, it is.
So you gotta be careful.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like the fellowship hall when there's a door in there next to those chairs?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember what it all said.
Okay, 3 minutes wasn't quite enough, so I'm gonna flip them and we'll go about 4 more minutes, I think. I'm just gonna dump the taco seasoning in here. And we'll just flip the chicken in it and then put it straight over in the skillet. Okay, there's the first batch. I'm gonna set a 5-minute timer and then we'll flip them. I've got it on just a little bit under medium. I'll finish trimming the rest of the chicken real quick and then we'll chop the peppers. Oh, we got the swing out there. They're still working on, you know, getting some stuff done, but he did pick the swing up today.
But my legs are sore enough not to touch the ground.
That's good now. So 3 minutes on one side, 4 on the other. Perfect toasted flour tortillas.
Why are they so little? Can I cut them off again?
They're fajita size. We're not gonna cut them this time.
Oh, I just
You remember cutting those?
Huh?
You remember cutting those other ones?
Uh-huh. And what did I use to cut them?
The pizza cutter? Did you use the pizza cutter? What? I forgot.
You bought a spreader.
Oh yeah, the spreader, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna bring this chicken over here. This smells really good. We'll go ahead and start chopping up the peppers with the chicken. So this will just be the fix it up over here area. This is the biggest red onion I think I've ever seen. It's huge. We won't be using all of this. I'm coming, Beeper, I'm coming. See what you mean, yeah.
And this one sounds high. Well, hi. This is 1. And this is 2. This is 3. And this is 4.
You're doing good. Oh, I forgot to chop the lettuce. There's Sissy. Huh?
So good.
I'm gonna go ahead and start shredding up the first batch of chicken. I'm just cutting it up into smaller pieces, not really, you know, shredding it, just making it smaller. So I put some of this hot honey ranch, and I'm telling y'all, this stuff is great. It's the one I got from Aldi the other day for just 35 cents. I hope they have some more when we go back, because I'm definitely getting some more of that. And one of y'all mentioned something about the date. They're good until June of next year. So 35 cents, I'll be bringing more home.